Hello friends! In this series of videos, we're going through first position minor pentatonic scales. And here we're going through F-sharp minor pentatonic. Always look for patterns when you're studying guitar scales, and you'll notice here F-sharp minor pentatonic is the same finger pattern we had for B minor. Let's talk through it. Second finger F-sharp, open A, second finger B, pinky C-sharp, second finger E, pinky F-sharp. Here we go together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. Have fun practicing, and as always, if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do so. You won't miss any new content as we launch it. You can also visit us at beginningguitaronline.com. While you're there, sign up for the Woodshed newsletter. We gather educational guitar content from around the web and deliver it right to your inbox.